Hello! In front of me I have Garett Tina smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this smartband. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press the touch sensitive button repeatedly to scroll through the menu, like this. Keep scrolling until you find the function option. Once you find the function, press and hold on the touch sensitive button to enter. Then scroll through the menu, find the brightness option. Once you find it, press and hold the touch sensitive button. And now we can change the screen brightness by tapping on the touch sensitive button, adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you set it to the level you like, press and hold the touch sensitive button to confirm, like this. And then you can press the touch sensitive button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the watch face, or rather not watch face, my bad. That's how you adjust the screen brightness on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.